my channel Fun and Learn with Mahi. In today's video, we're going to do the unboxing of Zebronics Tempest Plus. The Zebronics Tempest Plus is a really good mouse. It's a gaming mouse actually, and it has 8 buttons, a gold-plated USB, 6400 DPI, and an advanced Windows software. It's really good. It has 8 buttons and many more I'm going to tell you in this further video. So it's a really good mouse. It has really cool features and I really love this mouse. I've looked down in reviews, seen a lot of videos also, and there's also software that I'll be leaving down a link in the description. So let's get started. So let's unbox this real quick. Oops, they didn't give the correct box. Anyway, this is how it looks like. I'll explain each of this key one by one. Overall, it has 8 buttons over here, like it's mentioned. It has 8 buttons, DPI, RGB effect, rapid fire key, a rubber finish, and a high resolution gaming sensor. So let's go on. So since it has a rubber finish, people who do drag click, start drag clicking. I'm very good in butterfly clicking, so I can do that, and it gets me around like 13-14 CPS. It's a really good mouse, and it has DPI switch. This is the up, it will go up, while this is down. And over here we have a forward and backward key, and this button is the 8 button. Okay, what this does is that you have the 8 button, right? If you hold it like this, I'll show it. If you hold it like this, right, it will stay continuously doing clicks per second, and you don't have to pay a single effort. No, you just do like this. You can wreck someone easily. Okay, and then we have a RGB effect that will be showing in you a little while. It's really cool. Just take a look at this. And since everything is down in the software, so let's go to the software. Hey there, and welcome to my computer. So in today's video, as you already know, we're gonna show the multicolored one, right? See, it already has very cool effects going on right now. This has the flow right now, and the braided cable I told you before. So have a good look at it, and I'm gonna show you how to do change the LED mode, the double clicks and everything. So let's get started. So we need the Zebronics software, right? So let's just open Google Chrome, get Zebronics, driver download, Zebronics driver download. Click the first one, okay? So after clicking the first one, what you need to do, you'll find mouse premium gaming Tempest Plus as the first option, or anything else for yours. So driver download. After downloading it, you'll have under parent directly, you'll have zeb tempest plus.zip. Click on it. There's no harm. It'll open in a GIF. So you'll open it, okay? And you click this exe, okay? Double click. Takes time. Yeah. So it says zeb tempest plus.setup. Just do whatever you want. I'm just gonna rename. I'm just gonna delete this folder because you know. I'm just gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna make it as Zeb. Okay, Zeb, done. And now install. Take a jiffy and you're done. So press finish. Now hop on to your desktop, and if I Zeb Tempest, double click on it, and software. What's our software? Yeah, there it is. So let's go on. First, let's go one by one.
And you have left click, right click, middle click. It says the option left, right, and 8 back, 6 fire key. Oh yeah, I need to show you what a fire key actually does. I'll go on my Microsoft Edge CPS test, and okay, I'm not gonna do any cheating, so let's just scroll down a bit. I'm holding my mouse, okay? I'm gonna hold it two sides, and this is my rapid fire key button. I'm just continuously pressing it. I did nothing, guys. Okay, this is why this mouse is so good. I would recommend you to buy it. And but we need to see how this does in a gameplay. So, but before that, we go on the gameplay. We will first look at all of this: the game mode, DPI, up and down, fire key, advanced. See, the thing you need to do if you want to hold it and get it continuously, you have to press the fire key setting continuously option. Okay. The pointer speed, double click, scrolling wheel, anyone, anything you want, you can copy mine as well. DPI setting. So over here, this over here I have as pink. That means I'm on 1600. Now if I press this button, I'll have blue. That means it's on DPI 3, 2400. What DPI actually mean is that the mouse pointer will go way faster across the screen. So now I'm just gonna press till yellow, red, cyan, and yellow. Okay, I'm just gonna move it real quick. It goes really fast. Okay, so I recommend you not to keep it on yellow. Let's just go down to pink. Okay, I like pink since it's easy to handle the mouse pointer, but I go between pink and blue and the light. So I have flow light on, so that's why the colors are flowing. So if you want any other color, you can go to four season multicolor. After selecting one, you won't get it right away. There's one option called apply. After you get multicolor, you'll have it something like this. Stay in one place, it will go like this. Okay, it will stay in one place, go like this, change colors every now and then. And the beating speed means it how fast you want it to go. So mine, I'll keep it on 8. So see what happens. It'll go. I kept my flow light on 8. It goes really fast, as you can see. But I don't want it at 8. I want it at 3 or 4. So I'll apply that. Now I'll go really slow. See, over here it's taking a lot of time to go to here and here. So that's how it is. And then macro. Basically, it's about delay settings, no delay settings, in in insert loop count, infinite loop, whatever is there, you can do anything. But be careful because it may do something. Okay, so I recommend you not to play with any of these because this can break your mouse. So don't do that. So we need to sense the game sense. Oh wow, tongue twister. We need to sense the game sense. That's why we need to see this in gameplay. So I'll see you then.